How to use Grab voucher code for food. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Grab voucher code for food. First, open the Grab application on your mobile device. Then tap on the food option and pick any restaurant from the list. After that, select the food item and choose the flavor. Now customize it according to your preferences. Next, tap on Add to Basket and then tap on the basket to view your order summary. Here, tap on Use Offer, enter your gift code, and apply it to complete the process. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.